Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert triangulation of similar numbers into multiplication. For example, 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 10 40, 40 plus 10 50, 50 plus 10 60. In this example, the number 10 is added to itself 6 times. All of these numbers are the same, so they equal numbers. Using multiplication is the shortest way to write these numbers. The number is added to itself 10 and 6 times, right? 6. Positive sign change to multiplication sign. The number is added 10, right? 10. And finally, in this is one digit number, this is two digit numbers, and 6 multiplied by both. First multiply by 0 and second multiply by 1. 6 times 0, 0, 6 times 1, 6. In multiplication, the first numbers show how many times the second number is added to itself. In this example, and so in this example, 6 and 10 are the multiplication factors, and 16 is the product. Thank you for watching.